Hi everybody, let's make this colorful bow using craft paper. Cut a strip of paper and fold it like this. Now cut it from its corners. Look like this. Make multiple cuts and paste it at the center using double-sided tape and make cuts like this. Tie it with another strip of paper and look, your bow is ready. In this video, we are going to make these cute little containers for your jewelries. First, we are going to fold this printed paper like this. Fold it from its top portion, then from its corners. Open it and look, your crease is done. Now we are going to press it and give it shape like this. Again, fold it and then we are going to gently open it using fingers and your box is ready. Paste a bow and it's done. We are going to make this heart wings using craft paper. So take a craft paper and start folding it like this. We're going to make the heart shape here. So we are going to pull it downwards and start folding it. We are also making the wings. So make mini pleats and look, it's done. We are going to tuck it like this. Paste it and give it the heart shape. Flip it and look, it's done. Let's make a heart using this square red craft paper. So fold it like this and then cut it. When you open it, you will get a beautiful heart shape. Let's make these heart-shaped paper basket. We are folding a square craft paper. Fold it like this. Now flip it. We are going to make a heart shape here and look, it is ready. Make 3 more such shapes and paste all of them like this, one after another, and look, it is ready. Then we are going to make the base for the basket and then put it like this. Also make its handle and paste like this and look, your paper basket is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.